another plea for you to drink more American rosé. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And just celebrated Mother's Day, right? Had a rosé as well as the prosecco you saw in the previous video. I'll link that up here just in case you missed that, because you gotta go find that prosecco. But thought it'd be nice to have a dry rosé as part of the brunch table, and happened to pick up this one from One Hope, and I've talked about American rosé, about how they're my favorites, right? Because they're you can see the colors darker. There's just a lot more flavor with them, and the quality is usually really good, really good. But I think I wanted to talk about this one in particular because number one, because I really enjoyed it, but number two, if you're not familiar with One Hope, right? They're based in California. They make a pretty wide range of wines, but each of the wines goes to support a different cause. So this particular one, money goes to helping educate women on their risks and symptoms of ovarian cancer. They have other bottles that go towards, to help pet adoptions, building a school overseas, replanting forests, researching heart disease, helping develop vaccines for tropical diseases, like amazing stuff, right? And a lot of times you're drinking wine, right, and you're not. You're just drinking wine and you're putting money into someone's pockets. Sometimes it's a small grower that makes you feel good, but most of the time it's just a big corporation or something like that. And it's like, okay, but here's something where you can do something a little differently, speaking with your wallet, but also the wines are really good. So I've happened to have had at least 6 or 7, I think, of their different wines across the board, whether it's a red blend, Merlot, Cabernet, Sauvignon, Pinot Noir, Sauvignon Blanc, so forth. But that's not what. But so check them out. I'll put their link down in the description, just so you go browse their website. I think they ship all over the country. I probably should get a referral code for you guys. Maybe I can do that so we can get you a discount. So this particular rosé. It's a California rosé, so it's who knows where the grapes are from, other than them being in California or from California. But you can tell it's a nice pink. It's a salmon color. That's what I like seeing in my rosés. But let's see what this tastes like on day 2. It's still bright and fruity, so it's very red, mainly strawberries. I think is what I got. There's a little bit of a floral component. I would almost say it's like a lilac, not so perfumey as like a real lilac, but a muted lilac, which is pretty friggin' interesting. Strawberries and muted lilacs. Just damn good. It's tart. There's a little citrus note, maybe like an orange almost coming through. The other thing is, I do get a little bit of I'm going to say cantaloupe, melon of some sort. So the strawberries and flowers turn into like cantaloupe and honeydew and oranges, which is so it's pretty wild experience. It's nice. It's an indication, I think, of the quality of their wines. But this one is really good. I think it was like $11, right? Crazy. So I know you're going to be pounding a lot of rosé on the porches this summer. Get out, support One Hope, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. Hey guys, it's Chris. I wanted to thank you for watching the video. I wanted to encourage you to like and subscribe, tell your friends, share it on any platform that you can, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Put that bell on so that whenever I release a video, you get notified right away.